If we now extend that to our Print 4.0 aspect, we are able to clearly see all of those elements coming back into play and becoming relevant once again. Discussing cyber-physical systems, what should we envision? These are sensors, captors, with up to 3,000 to 4,000 in a Heidelberg, Cycon, or Komori press. Also, in that compact printer with me, there are sensors that communicate through the cloud, utilizing cloud computing, to relay information regarding the status and data of the production process. The Internet of Things and Services is a key component. Naturally, they generate massive amounts of data, which is the essential raw material for the mining industry of the future. Moreover, we also have the advantage of possessing artificial intelligence that plays along. Additionally, we have the benefit of robotics that are entering, both in production and in finishing, as well as in logistics. And 3D and digital printing also have a significant impact on this new Industry 4.0 smart print model due to the production capacity enabled by the large amount of data for personalized mass customization. The required integration of innovative business models is currently being implemented both vertically and horizontally in our dynamic and evolving business environment. What will be necessary, particularly in the printing industry of the near future, so that we have to adapt to it? At the moment, we are already quite efficient in most trucking companies in Europe, but mainly internally. As I mentioned previously, Print 4.0 is focused on increased openness, enhanced network communication, and stronger connections with strategic partners externally. As you can see here on this slide, from the supply side on the left to the customer side on the right, supported by the strategic partners you have chosen. But do not be mistaken. Everything will go even faster than today and in even shorter lines, which means we need to have the right direct channels to receive, send, communicate, and process the relevant data in real time. Only in that way will you be able to offer your products or services quickly, efficiently, sustainably, thinking about green, sustainable, and therefore also cost-effective to that end customer. As the slide also shows, we have inbound logistics moving on to production. In order to enhance outbound logistics and intelligent marketing, we can all facilitate by utilizing the valuable big data that is collected and stored in the cloud. And we can also commence providing novel services, intelligent services, by utilizing all of that data that we have collected. And in the end, this will lead to a price that is hopefully competitive, allowing the company to maintain a sufficient margin and ensure its standing in the market. To accomplish this, it is a matter of making choices, selecting new partners, individuals who will assist you in developing a response to the requirements of your customers. This customer is very well informed because they have full access. They are also on the internet, access to all information, and they are aware of who is the best, most reliable, and therefore the desired candidate for their order. And as it is customary, the customer who pays is typically always considered to be correct. So, smart printing companies 4.0. Realize that their ability to continuously reinvent a competitive advantage depends less on their internal capabilities today than on their ability to reach networks of business partners. The isolated printing press will make way for virtual business networks. And printing companies 4.0 of the future will join forces, also with other companies, to be able to leverage their core competencies together. Print 4.0 provides the graphics sector with the chance to redefine and optimize their organization and business model. And for this, a substantiated digital mindset is an absolute necessity that cannot be ignored.